Hello, today I'm going to explain the process of column-based annotation. It is used whenever the system cannot identify the right column in the table. In this example right here, we can see that the table was defined correctly, but the amount is picked up as rate, which is not correct. To fix that, in the field where the table information is stored, you can see we have little square icons next to the description, quantity, and amount. You need to click on the square that corresponds to the column you want to fix. For example, we need to define the amount column, so I'm going to click on the amount square. After that, on your document, click on the correct column header. We can see a blue rectangle around the value, which means that the system took a note of it and you are now ready to annotate. Then click on the red Annotate button and wait. Here we go. Some invoice layouts can be confusing for the system, and selecting the header of the column might not work. In this case, instead of selecting the header, we can use the first value in the column. For example, we can see that the quantity did not pick up any values. In this case, we again have to click on the corresponding square icon and click on the first value in the column, just like that. Make sure you have the blue rectangle and then click the Annotate button. All done?